A day doesn't go by without a comment, message, or question about when's that next giveaway. Well, here it is. Here's the next giveaway, and it is the DJI Neo. What's going on, guys? My name is Dan Davis, and I'm the creative director here on DansTube.TV. And today I'm partnering up with Geoff to give away a DJI Neo and an accessories kit. So this is an awesome starting point for people out there who maybe haven't got a drone yet, don't have the money for a drone. Maybe you've got a drone and you want something like this. Really great opportunity, and it's such a super easy giveaway to enter. The main prize is the DJI Neo, but that winner will also get those accessories from Geoff. So let's just go over to Geoff quickly to see what we get alongside the Neo.
Hey legends, Geoff Aquino here, and we are teaming up with DansTube to level up your chances of winning that brand new DJI Neo. And that's not all. What I'm going to do, I'm going to be throwing in some DJI merchandise, such as this DJI bottle and a bucket hat, as well as this very sleek gear pouch. So don't miss that opportunity. Hit that entry button, and I'll see you around. Have a great day.
This giveaway is absolutely free to enter, and all you have to do is follow the link down below. Make sure to read all the rules, all the terms and conditions. Make sure to check that description down there. This giveaway is not endorsed by YouTube at all. This is backed by me, by Dan Davis, DanTube.TV, and Geoff. And we're giving away a drone and an accessories bundle. So all you have to do is follow that link in the description below, go over to King Sumo and sign up. And that's all you have to do. You're entered to win the Neo. If you want some additional entries, you have the option to then do some additional entry conditions to get some more entries, but you do not have to do any of that. You can literally just sign up, absolutely free, and then you go into the draw to win the DJI Neo. Those additional entry conditions will be related to Geoff and myself, so it gives you the option to do some additional things to connect with us. And I would highly recommend coming back to the channel just to make sure that you catch that live announcement. So in a few weeks, there will be a live announcement. I'll go live and I will do a random draw to pick out the winner. So completely randomized, you'll see it live as it happens. And this is a great opportunity to get yourself the Neo. Still one of my favorite drones. I use it a fair bit. Really easy to use. It's very versatile. So you'll get yourself the drone and a battery, but then from there you can buy different controllers, motion controllers, FPV accessories, all sorts of cases and ND filters, all sorts. There's a lot of accessories on the market. There's a great starting point, and then you can add to it once you own it. I really love doing these giveaways, and I wish I could give more back to you guys, but I'm thinking the Neo is a really good giveaway option because I can do a few of those every couple of months, and it's a relatively easy giveaway to do for you guys. So let me know what you think. If you want more giveaways, let me know as well. But like I said, make sure to follow all those description details down below. Make sure to read the rules. Make sure to check out the King Sumo page as you enter. And yeah, it's quite a simple giveaway, really. So thank you so much for Geoff for supplying some of the accessories. And thank you so much to everyone else who's watching here. Make sure to enter and make sure to stay tuned for that announcement video. And I'll chat to you in the next one. Peace.